现在开始了吗？
开始了，我看显示已经开始录了。
My name is Sun Yijing. My metric number is A199550. My topic is environmental protection. Environmental protection or environmental protect refers to taking of measures to protecting the natural environment, prevent pollution, and maintain ecological balance. Action may be taken by individual advocates, group, and environment. Objective including the conservation of the existing natural environment and natural resource and possible repair of damage and reversal of harmful trends. Due to the pressure of the over-consumption, pollution growth, and technology, the biophysical environmental is being degraded, sometimes permanently. This is being recognized, and the environment has begun placing restrictions on activities that cause environmental degradations since the 1960s. Environmental movements has created more awareness of the multiple environmental problems. This is disagreement on the extent of the environmental impact of human activities. So protection measures are occasionally debated. Many of the Earth's resources are especially vulnerable because they are influenced by human impacts across different countries. As a result of this, many attempts are made by countries to development agreements that are signed by multiple governments to prevent damage or manage the impacts of human activity on natural resources. This can include agreements that impact factors such as climate, oceans, rivers, and air pollution. These international environment agreements are sometimes legally binding documents that are legal implication when they are not followed, and at other times are more agreements in principle or up for use as course of conduct. This agreement has a long history with some multinational agreements being in place from as early as 1910s in Europe, American, and African. Thank you.
Suya, and my serial number is A214954. My adjustment to the future. Have you ever stopped and really listened to the sound of the world through the trees, the cold burst of the earth? The plant, our homes, is beautiful, but sometimes we forget how fragile it is. The air we breathe, the water we drink, the grass grows our feet. They are not a person, they are born from the future. Right now, the earth is changing, the ice is melting, futures are growing, oceans are rising. Animals lost their home and we lost a little more time. But it doesn't have to be the way, because we still have a choice. Every time you turn off a light, plant a tree, pack up a piece of tissue, you are choosing hope. Every time you walk instead of drive, recalling, spin up, you are choosing a better future. You don't have to be a hero to make a difficult. You just have a care. Every small action matters when millions of us do them together. So I ask you this: when the future looks back at us, what will exist? I hope it's same adjustment that step up, that choose nature over conversation, that choose life over comfort. This is our time to production, to change, to begin again. Let's not wait. The earth is king. And listen. Thank you.
Okay, hello everyone. My metric number is A184458, and my name is Li Yang. And my topic is about Malaysia natural environment. Malaysia is South Asia and two parts, North Malaysia and East Malaysia on the border island. The country is hot and rains all days with temperatures around the 26 to 28 and 2000 to the 2500 mm of rains years. Malaysia has a tropical rainforest with many plants and animals. WWF Malaysia says there are about 1,500 plant species and 361 types of animals and 694 kinds of birds. However, some forests and been lost due to the buildings, farming, and logging to help the government plans to keep at the least 15% of the land covered by the forest by the 2030s. Malaysia also has rivers, mountains, and beaches. Rivers like the Rajas and Pahaya and are important, and the Taiwan mountains run through the peninsula Malaysia. The beaches and the coral reefs attract the tourists and support sea life. In short, Malaysia nature is rich and beautiful, but it needs to protections for the future.
My name is Yarnda. My metric number is A184923, and my title is The Problem of the Environment. The model works most at a relentless pace. It industries harming, it cities expanding, and then yet beneath this progress lies a troubling truth. With each passing season, our plants grow quieter, where forests once stood sacred with life. Now only stumps remain as the silent witness, and the rivers that carried both water and legend now choke on human indifferences. The air itself, that most fundamental announcement carries traces of our carelessness. The scientists measure this decline in supermetric part per millions of carbon degrees of the temperature rise. Species lost per hour. But the languages of numbers fails to control what we all intuitively understand. That something sacred is slipping away. The child who will never know the song of the bird. The community displaced by raising cities loses no statistics can redeem.